Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I am sharing a layout for Clique kits and I am using the June 2018 Horizon kit and I absolutely love this kit. It's so fun and bright and I love the florals, and I knew that I wanted to use this piece of acetate because it's just so fun. I love it. It's from Amy Tan and it has all of the colors that are in this kit, and it has some gold dots or rose gold depending on what side you use, and I absolutely love it. So I'm going to use the rose gold side, and at first I thought that I was going to do the two corners at the diagonal from the top and the bottom. However, I decided that in the end I'm only going to use the one under the picture and go in a little bit of a different direction. So I did pull the piece of white cardstock from my stash to use as my base, and then I am just going to take this beautiful photo of my lovely daughter and I am matting it on this piece of paper from the kit, and it's that nice deep rich dark navy with a black polka dot. Like you can barely see the polka dots on it, but it's really, really pretty. And then behind that, I'm going to layer some more bright colors just to make it pop off the page a little bit. So I'm going to use the beautiful floral that I absolutely am in love with, and that geometric aqua paper with like the triangle kind of look on it, I guess. And I'm just going to kind of layer those behind the photo. And then for the acetate, I do use my ATG gun and you do see it. However, I'm going to end up covering most of it up with some die cuts, like the flowers and leaves. So in the end, you're not really able to see it that much for it to be a big concern for me. Now you could, I think, use wet glue possibly if it dries clear. Or you could staple it or sew it. That's another option. So I love the way that this looks. Oh my gosh, these florals are to die for. They're so bright and fun, and they've got so many different leaves. And so I'm just building my cluster up here, and then I'm just going to put some leaves behind them as well. I'm trying to figure out which leaves I want to use, and I just love it. It's so fun and bright and colorful and just screams summer. To me it does, at least. This photo I actually just took last week of my daughter. She got a new outfit when we went shopping, and she got a new bow to match her new shirt, and so she was just super excited. So this was the morning after we got her new outfit, and she had, well, not the morning after, but we went shopping on the weekend, and then after that, on Monday, she wanted to wear it. So I washed it and then she wore it on Monday. And so this was the morning before she went to school, and she was sitting on the couch beside me after I did her hair. And she was just like so excited to wear this outfit. So this week is, or not this week, but this video is for story focus. So that is the story behind this layout. It's just, I don't know, like we went shopping, we had a great weekend, and then she was so excited to wear her new outfit. So that's kind of the story behind the photo. So I am just using ATG and liquid adhesive to glue those flowers down. And then this is when I kind of decide, you know what, I think I'm going to go in a little bit of a different direction. I don't think I'm going to use this piece of acetate. I don't know. I just didn't feel like I wanted to use it. So in the end, I decided to try to do like a little flower cluster and put up there to bring more flowers on the page, and to have another cluster, but not to have the acetate behind it was, I think, a good idea in the end, because I really, really love the way that it kind of brings in, it kind of draws your eye into where I'm going to put the title and the photo. So next, I am going to try to figure out my title. Now, these little stickers, these little tiny word stickers came with the kit, and I was going to use some of those, but actually I ended up not using those and using this Memories. This acrylic piece is one of my favorite pieces from the kit for sure, and I wanted to use it to bring in some more of that blue. And I just wasn't sure where. I thought it looked right, and I wanted, you know, something memories. I wanted to use the memories, but I wasn't sure what I wanted. So my daughter comes in the room, and then I'm asking her, I'm like, where should I put this? Should I put it here? Should I put it up here? What do you think? I always ask her opinion when she's here if I'm having a difficult time. So she helped me. So she said right there looks best. And then for the title, I decided to go with Everyday Memories because that is mostly what I document. Yes, I do document the birthday parties and the special events and stuff that we do. However, my scrapbooks and traveler's notebooks are filled with everyday memories, just memories that some people would probably just pass by and not really document because it's just, they just went shopping and got new clothes, and that's just something normal. But it's something that I want to remember. I want to remember the little everyday memories that most people don't document. So that was kind of the story behind the title and the story behind the photo. And these thickers are amazing. I mean, they're so sparkly, you guys. Now I do have studio lights, so it was like shining off and looking kind of crazy on video. However, in person, they are stunning, like so pretty. It just brings a really nice pop to the page. It brings some sparkle to the page. I love these stickers. They're definitely a new favorite of mine for sure. So now I am just gluing this cluster down up here to make sure that it stays right where I want it. And so when I do that, I do use my liquid adhesive because it's just easier to kind of pick up a piece and glue it down like that, instead of bringing in the ATG gun and pulling each piece up. So now I want to play with some sequins because these sequins in this kit are absolutely gorgeous, and there are so many different kinds. So there are small ones, there are flat ones, there are curled ones, or not curled, but cupped ones. There are flowers, there are different colors, different sizes. They're just so amazing. So I'm going to put them in 2 little clusters of 3 here by the title. And then I'm also going to use some of the flowers to put in the flower clusters, but I don't think I do that on camera. Oh, yep, I do. And I'm not going to glue these down on camera just because it takes a while and it takes time. So now I am going to go into my stash and pull out some mists, and I'm going to end up using a yellow, a pink, and a turquoise. I was going to bring in a purple because there is purple on the confetti like acetate piece, but I felt like there wasn't enough purple in this to actually bring it in again. So I'm just doing that right now, some splatters at the top. And then I'm going to bring in some yellow at the bottom. And then that's going to be my layout for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, I will have Clique kits linked below along with my coupon code, which is CraftyLife10. So you can get 10% off of your purchases in the store. Thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to spread love and be kind. Have an amazing day. Bye.